How to duplicate elements in Reelshot. Want to reuse an element without recreating it? Here's how to duplicate elements in Reelshot. First, open your project and tap on the element you want to duplicate. This could be a video clip, photo, text layer, or sticker on your timeline. Once selected, look for the duplicate or copy option in the bottom menu or the floating toolbar. Tap duplicate and you will instantly see a copy of that element appear right next to the original on your timeline. You can drag and reposition it, adjust its timing, or even apply a different effect to the duplicate for variety. Do you use duplicates for creative edits? Share your ideas in the comments below. Use duplication to create patterns, loops, or backup versions of your favorite clips without starting from scratch. And that's how you can duplicate elements in Reelshot. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.